Are you not happy with your current website, landing page, and marketing funnel builder? No? Well, you're not alone. Neither were we. And that's why today we're happy to introduce you to the all-new GroovePages. That's right, we've reinvented the drag and drop page and funnel builder. Hi, my name is Mike Filsaime, and in recent years, I have created or co-founded many of the most successful online software platforms for digital and e-commerce marketers. Some you might even have heard of, brands like Webinar Jam and EverWebinar. But I sold my stake in those companies in 2016. This gave me some time to reevaluate the market, see emerging leaders, and plan what it would take to build a legacy platform to leapfrog anything on the market today. The first thing we needed was to create a dream team. So, in 2019, I, along with my three awesome partners, John Cornetta, Matt Serralta, and Matt Naus, formed Groove Digital. Our vision is simple: create the most powerful, the most affordable, and the easiest to use software platforms for e-commerce and digital marketers, period. And we did just that. In early 2019, we launched our first project, GrooveCart, to compete with Shopify. GrooveCart launched to thousands of new customers with outstanding reviews. The smash success of GrooveCart allowed us to invest over $1 million in development in just the last 9 months. But today, I want to talk to you about our biggest and boldest project yet. The all-new GroovePages. GroovePages is a cutting-edge, drag-and-drop landing page builder. Well, it's also a website builder. Even more than that, it's a high-converting, money-making marketing funnel builder. That's right, GroovePages is the only builder that will create landing pages, marketing funnels, and professionally branded websites with full navigation. But I'm getting ahead of myself. So let's set the date to June 2010 and hop in the DeLorean and jump back in time to talk about the terrible place of page builders and how we got here. Okay, it's now 2010. WordPress 3.0 has just come out, and it's supposed to make building websites easy. Yeah, right. You see, we all learned the hard way. What made WordPress cool ended up being its downfall. Complicated themes and plugins that were slow, clunky, and worst of all, many of these plugins ended up conflicting with each other. Yuck. And truth be told, that's why you could not pay me, or most people, to use an optimized page builder designed for WordPress. Back in the DeLorean, and let's go forward a few more years. Okay, we are now passing through 2013 and 2014. The page and funnel builders are all the rage, with hefty monthly fees to go along with it. They did solve the issue of getting away from WordPress. That was good, but they're just not easy to use, and they're just overly complex. As they added more features, frankly, it became necessary to hire an agency to build your funnels. And if you're like me, I'm not a fan of having to buy easy-to-use software only to have to later pay people to create what's in my mind. Their UI, or user interface, is, how do I say this nicely? A hot mess. And what you're left with is simply this: the cool new software that once promised you could fire your web developer should no longer make that promise. It's simply not true. The sad truth is this: for beginners and intermediate users alike, those once cool platforms have now become outdated, period. And finally, these page and funnel builders don't allow you to create real brand websites with full navigation. So in the end, you're still stuck also needing WordPress. What's that, you say? Squarespace? Okay, don't even get me started on Wix, or this video is sponsored by Squarespace. Yeah, I know. You can build a pretty site with Wix or Squarespace, but let's face it, you don't convert leads or make money with a pretty site. You just get to tell your friends that you have a pretty site. So now that brings us back to current day. So, what to do? As of now, there has never been a platform that can do it all while also being easy to use, affordable, and able to create websites, pages, and funnels that convert visitors into leads and leads into customers. Until now. And that's why today we are excited to introduce the all-new GroovePages. Welcome to the future. Imagine now, with GroovePages, you will now have a platform that is fun and easy to use. Check. Affordable? Check. Fast loading? Check. SEO friendly? Check. Mobile friendly? Check. Mobile first indexing compliant? Check. Made for designers? Hell no. Want to learn CSS? Go to Skillshare. Made for beginners that want results? Check. Loaded and ready for you with hundreds of gorgeous high-end converting drag and drop blocks and templates? Check. Made for marketers that want conversions? Check, check, check. Today, GroovePages grants you full access with unlimited sites, unlimited pages, and unlimited funnels. Boom. You'll have unlimited images, unlimited hosting, and unlimited bandwidth. Bam! Let's talk about our tech stack. Now, that's geek speak for what makes us special. Many builders out there are good, but not great. Not what we consider great. In fact, none of those page builders that I previously mentioned are great. Simply for one reason. They're old. You see, most of them are developed using a front-end framework called Bootstrap, which is good. And yes, it was developed by Twitter, but over 9 years ago. That's like MySpace years ago. But seriously, new and better alternative frameworks that are available today allow us to create websites in an easier and more efficient manner with better results. Instead of Bootstrap, we use the progressive JavaScript framework called Vue.js. This allows us to do anything in a page builder that HTML, CSS, and JavaScript can do. We're not limited to Bootstrap and sites that look like Bootstrap like most of the other page builders on the market. Of course, you get expertly designed templates, blocks, landing pages, conversion funnels, webinar funnels, and of course, killer brand websites. But we want to allow you to do things faster and easier than ever before, while also creating better looking, higher converting sites, pages, and funnels. And here's an exclusive feature only available with GroovePages. On top of our premium designer blocks, we're also introducing a new way to build sites by using layout mockups. These layout mockups are prototype or wireframe blocks that allow you to focus on layout and not get distracted with colors, text, and images that may distract you and take away from your focus. Later, with a click of a button, you can change the layout mockups to match your theme. It's revolutionary, and you really need to see it to believe it. Oh, and you use blogs for updated content and SEO? Now you can leave WordPress for good. You will be glad to know that in 2020, we will be releasing Grooveblog, our blog management feature into GroovePages. Finally, you can run everything on your entire website in one place if you're using blogs. Plus, GroovePages will have all of the cool things like countdown timers, pop-ups, and millions of royalty-free images. Integrations? Yes, we will integrate with every popular email and webinar platform you can think of. While we focus on making it easy, we do have an expert mode. You're a design geek? Yes, we will have an under the hood feature to allow you to do anything you need to behind the scenes for pixel perfect accuracy. If you want, you can get access to the page code or drill down to a block or even an element to isolate code. And our editor has a full CSS style injector to allow you to do anything that can possibly be done on a web page. There's a lot more that makes GroovePages special that's just too long for this video. Please take a look at the page below for more awesome details. But our main focus is on the user interface to help you create a pixel perfect and font perfect final product with perfect web standards and uniform design that will still convert better than anything on the market today. No one can make that claim. You see, our goal is to make it nearly impossible to create ugly Frankenstein design sites. Now, we know you may think your current platform gets the job done. Okay, that may be true, but everyone thinks a Toyota Camry is awesome until they drive a Lexus. So if we are more affordable, faster and easy to use, and allow you to create pages that look and convert better, don't you think you owe it to yourself to build your own company on GroovePages? Here's why you want to get started today while we're in beta. Today, you can get permanent lifetime access to GroovePages. That's it. And you will never pay us anything again, ever, period, ever. And the best news is you get instant access to this right now. So lock this in now. We're looking for just a few beta testers to get this ready for our launch, which is coming very soon. Now, just a quick warning, this offer may close without notice, and later, others will have to pay $199 per month each and every month for years and years to come for what you are getting today for a one-time price. So let's recap. In a nutshell, GroovePages has all of the features that are in the latest cutting-edge builders, even in the beta. You'll get hundreds of wireframe blocks, hundreds of designer blocks, dozens of templates, dozens of sites, and dozens of funnels. And of course, we'll be adding more and more as we continue to grow. Hurry. This lifetime access deal for the beta can end literally at any moment without notice. And when it closes, this offer is gone forever. Later, others will pay many hundreds more each month for fewer features than you are getting here today. So get started now, get instant access to GroovePages beta. The only thing you have to lose are the savings if you don't take action now. So don't miss out. Please hurry before this project ends. Once it's gone, you will pay more for less. Thank you. And remember, we need your help. Please share this page and support our project. We look forward to having you as a charter member of the all-new GroovePages.